Gamers, welcome to the future. The PlayStation 6. A console so advanced, so powerful, so unnecessarily large. We heard you wanted innovation. We heard you wanted value. We heard you, and we chose violence. At just $24.99.99, the PlayStation 6 offers everything you loved about the PS5, plus 7% more triangle shapes. That's right, we added more triangles to the design. Revolutionary. And for only $200 more, upgrade to the PlayStation 6 Pro, which includes a vertical stand. Yes, the stand is separate. Yes, we're serious. Feast your eyes on these incredible specs. 8K gaming at 12 frames per second. 16K gaming at 6 frames per second. Ray tracing so realistic you can see your reflection questioning your life choices. Our revolutionary new controller features the same old joysticks you know and tolerate. That's right. No Hall effect sensors, which means stick drift. Guaranteed within 6 months, so you'll buy at least 3 more controllers. That's innovation, baby. 'Cause why would we use Hall effect joysticks that last forever when we can give you the thrill of buying a new controller every year? We want to make your wallet feel like it has a meaning in life. It also comes with a premium plastic that feels like it costs $79.99. Adaptive triggers that will eventually stop adapting. And the design? Oh, the design. It's futuristic. It's geometric. It's so sharp you'll cut yourself just dusting it. We didn't just build a console, we built a conversation piece that your electrician will talk about when rewiring your house because this thing consumes more power than your refrigerator. But what about the games? Prepare to experience graphics that look almost exactly the same as your PlayStation 5, only this time they run at an extra 0.5 frames per second. Can you see the difference? No, but you can pay for the difference. Experience a massive launch lineup. Spider-Man Miles Morales Remastered, Horizon Zero Dawn 2 Remastered Edition, The Last of Us Part 2 Remake of the Remaster, and 8 indie games you already own on Steam. You can also play all your favorite PS5 games with up to 3% better loading times. Results may vary. Probably will vary. Will definitely not be noticeable. The PS6 comes with a generous 825GB SSD. That's enough space for approximately 2.5 modern games. But only 667GB is usable after system files. Need more space? Our proprietary PlayStation certified SSD expansion cards are only $249.99 for 1 terabyte. This is not just a console. It's a lifestyle, a statement, a $2,499 futuristic brick that says, I have no self-control when it comes to pre-orders. Our design team spent thousands of hours making sure the PS6 won't fit in any existing entertainment center, looks like it's from a sci-fi movie from 2003, has RGB lighting you can't turn off, resembles a dystopian skyscraper that houses your broken dreams, because when you game, you don't just want performance, you want your console to look like it's judging you. PlayStation Plus has evolved, now with 3 tiers. The Essential for only $79.99 per year, where you get to play online like it's 2006. The Extra for $134.99 per year to access to games we're about to remove. The Premium for $159.99 per year to get PS1 and PS2 games you can emulate for free, but don't tell anyone we said that. Remember, you need this to play online. Why? Because we said so. The PS6 is backwards compatible with 94% of PS5 games and 68% of PS4 games. That other 6% and 32%? Those are surprise collectibles. Gotta catch 'em all again. on the PlayStation Store at full price. We care about the environment. The PS6 packaging is made from 100% recycled cardboard. The console inside uses enough power to run a small village and will be obsolete in 3 years, but hey, cardboard! The PlayStation 6, where gaming meets geometry, where innovation meets inflation, where your wallet meets its maker. Pre-order now and receive an exclusive digital theme that shows the PS6 logo on your home screen, where the PS6 logo already is. PlayStation 6, because you'll buy it anyway. But you might be wondering, if I am spending $2,499.99 on a console, why don't I just buy a gaming PC? Well, the reason